you can earn up to $10,507 per day with Bitcoin without any investments. Hello go-getters, I'm the Capitalist, and in today's video we're going over something that we've never attempted before in this channel. I'm going to show you precisely how you can earn $10,507 per day with Bitcoin without any investments. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can get one Bitcoin in one single day. Guys, I believe that Bitcoin is the best option for people who want to trade their time for money, so I highly advise you to follow my instructions and pay close attention, because I'm going to offer you some bonus tips throughout this whole video so that you can maximize your profits. No work is needed, and this method is available worldwide, so once you set up this new stream of income, it is going to generate money for you automatically on complete autopilot, so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm going to keep things simple and show you the precise steps that you have to follow in order to make this work. This new way of generating money online consists of only 3 steps, but they are all equally important, so make sure not to skip any major parts, because otherwise things will not make sense to you and you will get confused and give up too soon. So in order to move on to step number 1, I want you to connect to moonbitcoins.com. So this is the website that is going to help us tremendously today in our initiative to make up to 1 Bitcoin per day. This is a Bitcoin GPU mining platform that is going to use your computer's resources in order to generate money for you. But don't worry, because this is not going to affect your computer in any way. It's only going to take advantage of your internet connection in order to mine Bitcoin. If you're interested to go in depth about all of that information and all of that tech stuff, you can do your own research on the web. I'm by no means an expert, so we're not going over all of the details behind this cryptocurrency, and instead we're going to focus on the way that we can generate money with it. That is because I want this video to be completely beginner friendly, so anyone can take full advantage of this brand new way of earning money online. Because that is the thing that most people get wrong about Bitcoin. They believe that they need to get some sort of expertise in order to start earning money, but that is not true. As long as you have an internet connection and a computer, you're still able to generate some considerable amounts of money taking advantage of Bitcoin. But now a quick disclaimer, your results might vary depending on the quality of your internet connection and the performance of your computer. But having that in mind, I'm going to show you a quick way that we can monetize our time online regardless of whether or not you know anything about Bitcoin. So as I said, this method is completely beginner friendly and you can start right now after watching this entire video. Okay guys, so with no further ado, as you can see here on the left hand side, you need to log in with your wallet address. So signing up with your email and username is not enough on this platform on moonbitcoins.com. And obviously, in order to do this, you need to create a wallet address if you don't have one already. So the quick way to do that, and the best way in my opinion, is going over to bitcoin.org, which is the second step, and picking the Bitcoin wallet that is most appropriate for you. Because these guys have put together a series of questions for you, and depending on your answers, they will recommend a certain Bitcoin wallet that is most suitable for your needs. So in order to take part in it, you simply have to connect to their website, once again bitcoin.org, go to this section that is called Choose Your Wallet, and click on Next. Moving on, you need to pick the operating system that you are currently using. So if you're on your mobile phone, you can choose between Android and iOS. And if you're on desktop, you have multiple options. I'm going to choose Windows because that is my case. Once you're done with that, you can simply click on Next and move on to the second question, which is how much do you know about Bitcoin? Now, if you're just starting out, you want to pick this section that says New, because otherwise they're going to recommend you a website that is more difficult to use. So make sure to provide them with honest answers, and once you're done with that, click on New and select Next. You're going to be redirected to the third question that is also very important. So which criteria are important to you? And if you pay attention, you can see that certain sections have been blocked for you, because if you're just starting out, you don't really care about all of this stuff. So you can choose between control, which might be useful for you. So I'm going to check that one, and fees, because I don't want to pay fat commissions whenever I make a deposit or make a withdrawal. So once I'm done with that, I'm also going to click on Next and move on to the last question, which is what features are you looking for? And from all of these options, I would simply pick two-factor authentication, which is enough for me, and I will click on next. And they have recommended Electrum, which I have used before and I'm quite content with it, but depending on your needs and on the device that you are using, you might choose another option. It's up to you, and it doesn't affect your ability to earn money with Bitcoin. So this is a simple formality. You have to sign up for a Bitcoin wallet in order to be able to generate money with this method. But you don't have to care about whether or not is the appropriate one, because all of them are equally good. So all that's left now in order to set up your Bitcoin wallet is simply signing up with your email address and so on. You know all that stuff, so I don't need to walk you through that process because it's very straightforward. Eventually, you will be provided with a wallet address that you can simply paste here. This will look like a random stream of characters, but once you have it, you can simply click on login, and that's all you have to do in order to start earning money online with this method that I'm about to teach you. And we're going to move on to step number 3 right now. Once you have logged in using your Bitcoin wallet, you will be shown this little window here that says, welcome, we have added a bonus to your account for your first login. And you can click on start, and the bonus has been added to your balance, as you can see here on the left hand side. It's not a lot, but it's still some extra cash that is given to you for absolutely free. Now that you're here, you have two options really. One of them requires you to actually do some work or at least be around the computer while you are doing it, and the second one is completely automated. It's passive income that you can generate for free right now. And as I said, you can earn up to 1 Bitcoin per day, so you want to pay attention to my instructions and follow along throughout all of this video. Moving on to the first option that you have, you can simply click here on Start Bitcoin Mining, and that's what you're going to do. That will open this little window, and as they specify here very clearly, the time needed to complete the mining is about 10 minutes, so 600 seconds. That you have to wait in order to see your first profit using this method. And you need to be close to your computer, because once that is finished, you can do it over and over again how many times you wish. But maybe you're busy and you don't want to check your computer every 10 minutes, so that is why they also have a second option that you can choose in order to still earn considerable amounts of money. And that is the blue one here, so your hourly bounty is active. Click to get in now, and I want you to click on this section. You will be redirected to a new page, and this message will be displayed. So congratulations, you've earned Bitcoin and so on. The Bitcoin amount you earned has been transferred to your account, and every hour you can do this same process over and over again how many times you wish. And if you combine both of these methods, so if you start mining every 10 minutes and you collect your bounty every single hour, the potential is limitless. You're basically trading your time for money, as I said before, so the more time you're willing to invest in this method, the more money you are going to generate. And now comes your favorite part, guys. So once you have spent a few days repeating this process over and over again, you can withdraw your earnings by simply clicking on this section. But the process is not as straightforward as it is on other platforms. The first thing you need to do in order to withdraw your money is paste your wallet address in this section, and that will transfer your money into your wallet address. But this is not all. You might be able to do a purchase using Bitcoin straight from your wallet, but it's not the case most of the time. So you really have two options now. You can either withdraw your money from your Bitcoin wallet into your bank account, but if you don't have one, there are ways that you can transfer your money from your Bitcoin wallet to your PayPal account. But those are a little bit tricky, because there are a lot of websites out there that are looking to scam you. So if you decide to withdraw your money into your PayPal balance, make sure that the website that you are using is a trustworthy one. I will not recommend any websites because there's always some risk involved, but I had to mention this for those of you who are under 18 years of age and do not have a bank account. Also, you are not able to withdraw from moonbitcoins.com until you reach a certain amount. But if you take a look here, I've been on their platform for a few minutes and I've already got this part covered. So it should only take you a few days in order to complete this bar all the way up. It's up to how much work you're willing to put into it. There's also a daily bonus that you might be interested in, so you can grab it by only clicking on this button that says your daily bonus is active, get in now. I'm going to do that, and some extra cash has been added into my account. So now I believe that you have all the information you need in order to take action. So all that's left is hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, please drop us a like to this video if you enjoyed it and leave your feedback down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.